Alright, gentlemen. Change the wood panels on the Martini. Been shooting it a little bit. And the ammo's so damn bad I can't tell anything, so I'll show you what I'm talking about when I zoom out. But right now let's just try a little bit of this SK pistol. Actually it's Pistol Special that Darwin the Enabler gave to me. They didn't give it to me, I'll pay him for it when I see it, but let's try number one down there on the UBR target, number one target, lower left. Got one shot pretty much pinwheeled in it from where I was shooting it a couple weeks ago. Alrighty then. Let's just pinwheel that. Let's try another one. That was luck. Had to be. I ain't holding no wind, I'm talking dead center. The wind is left to right now, probably 3 miles an hour. Alrighty then. Alrighty then. We can do it again. Little flag standing straight out now. Let's shoot anyway, and I'll hold one bullet hole to the left. Whew. Hadn't held that bullet hole, I'd be screwed, wouldn't I? Alright, the wind's still doing that. Let's hold one more bullet hole. Matter of fact, let's hold on the edge. Let's cut that 10 ring with the crosshair. Lay it on the black line. Boy, that wind's hitting me in the back of the head. I ain't shoot like hard. Well, where did that come from? Let's give it a second, let that pass. Meanwhile, the rounds in there cooking. Yeah, that flag went right out at 12 o'clock. Ain't that funny how it takes a minute? Like you'll feel the wind, and then it's like 30 seconds before it ever hits the flags. It's wild. All right, let's try it. Dead center hold. Wow. Golly, let's put one more in that group. We'll quit. Same hold. Get her done, son. Get her done. Hope y'all can see that good. That, we got one, maybe a few thousandth out of the 10 ring. The rest of them are in the, like the right half of the 10 ring. Awesome, awesome. I'll take that all day. Let me zoom out and I'll show you what I'm doing. Had it on digital zoom, it takes it a while. So, the Martini with pistol match special. I don't know what, didn't I shoot some of this last time in this gun? I was thinking I was. But anyway, there's 5. You can't go by 5. Don't even try. You can see I changed the wood, took the flats off and put the fish-bellied factory wood back on it. I'll end up getting me an adapter plate. I've got one on the other end, Schultz. I'll end up getting one of those to put on this because it rocks a whole lot this way. Not that it's not doable, as you can see, but the more stable I am, you know, I feel like the better I'll shoot, and I don't like shooting bad, especially in a match. People say they go to match to have fun. I go to win. I don't win, but that's my intention every time I go. Yeah. Anyway, it's January 7th, beautiful day. The martini's done wonderful. My birthday. You all have a good one. Later.